How to give access to your Google form. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily give access to your Google form to anyone with a link. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right now because it's easier to use all of the Google products here. So once you open up your browser, just search for Google Forms. I'm just going to open it from here and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of all of your forms that is owned by you. Then you can just open up the form that you want to share or grant access to. So here is a simple contact form. So what you're going to do is click on this share icon right here. And as you can see here, the responder will only be able to see the link, but the editors can, the editor access is restricted. So if you click on editor view, anyone with the link can update your form, but I do not recommend you do to this one. So what you can do is add certain people to your list. So here I'm just going to give the editor access to this email, and if you want them to notify them, you can just click on this box right here. Now click on send, and they will be able to edit the form as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.